Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add links to shapes and text in Draw.io diagrams for Confluence. This is incredibly useful when you're creating flowcharts or process diagrams and want to connect them directly to relevant documentation, websites, or other resources. Let's jump right in. First, head over to draw.com and click the Start button. This will direct you to another tab where you can begin creating your diagram. Once the interface loads, you'll have access to all the drawing tools you need to build your visual workflows. Now, let's start by adding a link to a shape. This is perfect when you want an entire element to be clickable. Right-click on the shape you want to link, and from the menu that appears, click Edit Link. A dialog box will pop up where you can input your URL. Type in the web address you want to connect to this shape, then click OK. Your shape now functions as a clickable link, making it easy for viewers to access related information directly from your diagram. Next, let's try adding a link to the text inside a shape. This is slightly different because you're targeting the text itself rather than the entire shape. Double-click on the text you want to link. Once you do this, look over to the right side of your screen where you'll see an editing panel appear. Under the section labeled Insert, you'll find a link icon. Click on that icon, then insert your URL into the field that appears and click OK. The text inside your shape is now hyperlinked and ready to use. Now, let's move on to adding a link to a text element. Text elements are standalone pieces of text that aren't inside shapes. Right-click on the text element you want to link, and from the options, select Edit Link. Input the URL you want to attach to this text and click OK. This method is great for adding references or notes that link out to external resources without needing to create additional shapes. Finally, let's try something more specific. Adding a link to just one word inside a shape. This gives you precise control over which parts of your text are clickable. Click on the shape containing the text, then highlight the specific word or phrase you want to link. Once it's highlighted, look to the right side panel again. Under Insert, click the link icon, insert your URL, and click OK. Now, only that particular word is hyperlinked while the rest of the text remains normal. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add links to shapes, text elements, and even specific words within your Draw.io diagrams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.